In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an inside door handle on a Nissan NV2500. It is located on the door panel. Your window switch is held on by a couple of clips. You want to pry up on the panel on this side with a trim tool. Just pop straight up, lift forward, then out. To unplug your window switch, push down on the tab and release. Behind your inside door handle, there's a cover. You need to remove that. Do that by prying out on the left-hand side, straight out. Behind that cover, there's a 10mm bolt. You need to remove that. Your inside pull handle cover needs to come off. You can do that by prying on the side and pulling straight out. Behind that cover, there's two 10mm bolts. You need to remove both of those. Your door panel is attached to the door by a bunch of clips behind there, so you can take a trim tool like this, put it behind, and pull that door panel straight out. Once it's released, lift straight up and out. On the inside of your door panel, you need to remove both of your cables by just pushing straight out towards the door and unlatching them. Then you can take your door panel and set it off to the side. Now that we have our door panel removed, your interior door handle is mounted by 3 Phillips screws from the back side. Remove those 3 screws. After you have your 3 screws removed, just lift straight up. And there's your door handle. To install your door handle, slide straight down, line up the 3 bolt holes, and install your screws. Once you have your 3 screws in, make sure your door handle works. And your lock mechanism. Now we can install both of our cables. Put the ball in that hole. Then snap the cable into the handle. Small peg for the door lock slides into the hole. The cable gets locked into the handle. These are the push clips that I was telling you about that go into the holes of the door that hold the door panel onto the door. You want to line those up, lift your door panel up into place, and push in. Now we can install our 3 10mm bolts, 2 for our pull handle, 1 for our inside door handle. We can reinstall our cover for our pull handle. Make sure that's clicked in. We can reinstall our cover, line up all the tabs with the holes. Your bezel has 2 clips in the front, here and there. Those go into here and here. First you want to plug it in, listen for the click. Install those 2 clips first in the front, then push down in the back and listen for the click.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.